27, 2014, a large lava flow broke out on the northeast side of Pu'u'o and began to head east. It cut through miles of forest during the summer, and by October it was approaching Pahoa. Apa'a Road and the Pahoa transfer station were closed, and emergency preparations began. With the lava burning through fields only a few hundred yards away, Helco workers hurried to protect power poles in its path. The poles were surrounded with insulation, cement blocks, and a big pile of cinder to keep the lava from burning the wooden poles. Lava ran directly into one of the power poles as it crossed the Pa'a Road in the early morning hours of October 25th. The power pole was completely surrounded, but survived the intense heat of the flow. The protection worked. Below the road, the lava flow continued